Was there a time that you ran out of whipping cream? Is whipping cream hard to find or expensive in your location? In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way on how to make your own whipping cream at home using only 2 ingredients. For the ingredients, you need 200 grams of melted and salted butter. And salted butter is preferred unless you want to make a salty cream. You also need 550 grams of full cream or whole milk. Full cream is preferred because of its high fat content. 1. Measure all the ingredients accurately. I already measured our 2 ingredients, so I'll go to step 2. 2. Pour the milk and the melted butter into a high-speed blender or a food processor. 3. Blend at high speed the milk and the melted butter for 2 to 3 minutes. The high-speed mixing makes the milk and the melted butter bind together to make an emulsion. It's already 2.5 minutes, so I'll turn it off. Pour the mixture into a clean container. And we'll place it inside the refrigerator for at least 4 to 5 hours. So this is how your cream looks like after refrigeration. If you want a thicker cream, you can increase the amount of butter or decrease the amount of milk. I'm going to use this cream to make chocolate ice cream. Whipping cream is also used as a whip topping for desserts like cakes, a base for sweets like ice cream, and a thickening agent for pasta sauces and soups. It's an ingredient to add rich flavor and velvety texture to your dishes. So our video for today is on how to make whipping cream using butter and whole milk. You know, I have a previous video on how to make butter and low-fat milk using whipping cream. So if you are interested, check on the link above. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you will be updated with my coming videos. Thank you very much and God bless.